Yeah, we are on fire. Fire. There's a bird feeder. Yeah. Guess who else is on fire? Sue Vintage Vagabond Benz. Her channel has 921 subscribers. Let's get her to 1,000. She deserves it. So if you don't know her, I'm going to link her channel down below in the description. Click that link, subscribe, check out her videos. If you want to know what sells, you want to know how to source, you need to source from home because of the Rona. You don't want to go out. You can source from her channel. She's fantastic. And she's fun to watch too. And she's got some great t-shirts. Not that they're related to my Enoch t-shirts or anything like that, but let's set her channel on fire.